Step 1, group our terms, like terms together. So our x's group together, leave a space to complete the square. Group our y terms together, leave a space to complete the square. Move our constants over, so we add 7 to both sides. Okay, jump to step 2. Step 2 is to actually complete the square. So we're going to take half of our first degree terms coefficient, so half of plus 4 is plus 2. We're going to square that. 2 squared is 4. So we're going to balance our equation by adding it to both sides. Okay. This allows us to rewrite this as a binomial square. First term x, second term is going to be half of our first degree terms coefficient. So again, half of plus 4 was a plus 2. And do the same thing with our y's. Okay, take half of our first degree terms coefficient, half of negative 2 is negative 1. Square it, square negative 1, we get a plus 1. That allows us to rewrite our y's as a binomial square. We get a first term of y, a second term was half of negative 2, so a negative 1. Finally, move our, or combine our constants. Here we get a total of 12. So here's the equation for our circle, if that happened to be what I was asking. Okay. The last part was to interpret the results here. So we want to find our center. Okay. So the center has the coordinates. Again, what value of x would give you a 0 here? Negative 2. And the value of y that would give you a 0 in this expression? 1. And then our radius is going to be the square root of whatever number is written over here. So the square root of 12, which also can be reduced. 12 has a perfect square factor of 4. So if you simplify that, the square root of 4 comes out as a 2. The factor of 3 stay inside the radical. And so this would be your final solution for this.